Everyone thinks the best-selling Bluetooth Obd2 scanners are automatically the best ones. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, Obd2 MX Plus. First up is the Obd2 MX Plus, priced at $139.95. This scanner immediately caught my attention with its sleek design and professional-grade features. If you want to turn your iPhone, Android device, or Windows PC into a high-quality automotive diagnostic tool, this is worth a serious look. Now, here's why this product can be a game-changer for you. The MX Plus supports a wide range of vehicles, allowing you to clear-check engine lights and access live parameters like ABS and SRS, which is crucial for understanding your car's health. It has enhanced OEM support from major brands like Ford and Toyota, meaning more accurate diagnostics. With 15,400 reviews and an impressive rating of 4.6 stars, it clearly resonates with users who need reliability. However, some users have mentioned that it can be a bit tricky to set up initially. Here's the thing, though. Once you get it going, it's smooth sailing. If you're someone who doesn't want any hassles, you might find this frustrating, but it's generally worth the effort for the features you get. This is perfect for you if you're serious about car diagnostics and want a tool that provides comprehensive insights. Skip this one if you're looking for something ultra simple with minimal setup. Now, if the setup complexity of the MX Plus concerns you, the next product takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Blue Driver. Next, we have the Blue Driver Obd2 scanner, also priced at $139.95. What really caught my eye here is the focus on ease of use. This little tool turns your phone into a powerful diagnostic scanner without any wires. The Blue Driver is designed for users who want professional diagnostics without the headache. It reads and clears a wider range of codes than most basic readers, including ABS, SRS, and TPMS issues. Imagine being able to access technician-verified repair reports that match your VIN. That's a huge time saver when you're trying to figure out what's wrong with your vehicle. With over 62,700 reviews and a 4.5-star rating, it clearly delivers. Some users have complained about connectivity issues, especially with certain phone models. But honestly, I found that once it connects, it stays connected during use. If you're someone who values stable performance, this could be a minor setback for you. This is perfect for DIY mechanics looking for an affordable yet powerful tool. Skip this one if you prefer a straightforward device without the app aspect. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for specific BMW models. Product number 3, Obd2 CX. Coming in third is the Obd2 CX, priced at $79.95. This one is specifically designed for BMW and Mini drivers, and it instantly grabbed my attention with its focus functionality. If you're a BMW owner, the CX is a must-have. It pairs easily with the BIMR Code app, allowing you to access advanced features and vehicle protocols that are specific to your car. Plus, it has a rock-solid connection, which means you won't have to deal with drop signals or data corruption. With a 4.6-star rating from 4,600 reviews, it's evident that it's well-received in the BMW community. Some people have mentioned that you need to buy the BIMR Code app separately, which can be a downside. But here's the thing. If you're serious about coding and diagnostics for your BMW, that cost is worth it for the capabilities you gain. This is perfect for BMW enthusiasts who want to unlock their car's full potential. Skip this one if you need a scanner for multiple makes and models. Now, if you're looking for something more budget-friendly, our next product could be just what you need. Product number 4, Gate iCar Pro. Next up is the Gate iCar Pro, and at just $34.99, this is a budget-friendly option that surprised me with its performance. It's compact and user-friendly, making it perfect for anyone who just wants the basics without breaking the bank. The iCar Pro works with both iOS and Android devices and is designed for vehicles made after 1996. It supports standard Obd2 functions to help you read and clear error codes, which can save you a trip to the mechanic for simple issues. With a solid rating of 4.5 stars from 7,400 reviews, it's a popular choice for casual users. However, Some users pointed out that it has limited advanced features, especially for specific error codes like ABS or SRS. But honestly, if you're mainly looking for a straightforward tool to get basic diagnostics, this shouldn't be a deal breaker. This is perfect for occasional users who want an affordable entry into car diagnostics. Skip this one if you're looking for advanced features or comprehensive diagnostics. Now, if you're still looking for something even more affordable, the last product on our list is worth considering. Product number 5, Panlong Obd2 Scanner. Finally, we have the Panlong Obd2 Scanner, priced at just $12.59. I was genuinely surprised by how much value this little tool packs for such a low price. The Panlong scanner is straightforward and user-friendly, designed for Android devices. It allows you to read and clear trouble codes, and even turn off that pesky check engine light. With over 9,000 reviews and a 4.3-star rating, it's clear that users appreciate its functionality for the price. However, it's important to note that this scanner is limited to basic Obd2 functions, and some users found it frustrating that it lacks advanced features. But let's be real, if you just need something to check basic codes and clear lights, it's hard to beat this price. This is perfect for budget-conscious users who need a simple diagnostic tool for occasional use. Skip this one if you need advanced diagnostics or are using a non-Android device. So there you have it. Whether you're a professional mechanic or just a casual car owner, there's something in this list for everyone. To wrap it all up, we covered the Obd-Link MX Plus, Blue Driver, Obd-Link CX, Gate iCar Pro, and the Panlong Obd2 scanner. Each has its strengths and weaknesses to consider, so think about what features matter most to you. Whether you're looking for advanced diagnostics or just a basic scan tool, these options have got you covered. Happy scanning!